keep pushing forwards, but he keeps pulling me backwards. No. Now I'm standing back from it, I finally see the pattern. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I do. One, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you have to kick him out.